So for all you STARLET PASEO boys out there, I'm going to show you a cheap option for second-hand coilovers for your STARLET. Today I'm going to be showing you an option for the rear. This here is a R32 Skyline front coilover, and this here is a PASEO coilover out of my PASEO. They fit STARLETs, PASEOs, whatever else. Now today I'm going to be fitting this into my car. I'm going to show you how to do it. This coilover is an OHLINS coilover. For the pair, it only cost me $80 second hand, so a lot cheaper than a brand new options available for the STARLETs. Now, the only difference between the STARLETs and the R32 is this down here. This collar on the side sticks out a little bit. They're the same diameter in the thing, so all you need to do is just grind that flush with that, either with a machine tool or an angle grinder, and then you just need to swap the top hats over, and you'll still have your dampening adjustables up here, and because the spring is actually the same size, which makes it easy to swap over. Now I'll get to it. I'll trim this down and swap the top hats, and then I'll show you. So now that I've taken the top hat off that, I've put it onto here. You still retain your dampening adjustment on the top of it, and I've also ground down the little collar. As you can see on that one there's a collar, and that one there's no collar, and now I'm going to fit them in, and I'll show you once they're in. So now they are fully in, and you can adjust whatever you want from on the top, and you can reach in here for the dampening adjustment. Perfect.